sleepy, and if we are feeling bored or sleepy, then now we have a skit. This skit is not just a skit, but this skit will deliver the message to us today. So let us observe this skit very carefully. Please, brothers, come and take your time.
There was a very big Christian church. There were thousands in numbers. These are not actual thousands, but let's just consider them as thousands. Rich and well-living were the congregation. Among them was a poor man named Tarzan. The burden of discrimination weighed upon him, and to us, the crumbled wall of the congregation, inequality and disunity. That little poor man thirsts for the Spirit of God and the union of the church, but was shunned just because he was poor. And they have a very charismatic pastor who is a dynamic preacher named Mr. Charming. He was so charismatic that he was poured with riches and wealth from the congregation. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Heaven real! Alright! Hallelujah! Though the pastor has a limelight, he was a hypocrite who ignored the poor. It was night. They say, let us sing. Come, let us sing. There came a time when the pastor was alone and was lonely. He was strolling at night. It was dark and hazy was the sight of his soul.
Brother, come, brother. Please come, brother. Try this one time, brother. Try this. Yes. One more time, brother. Try this one more time. One puff, brother. One puff. Try this chakla. Come, let's go.
The pulpit became his playing body, acting body. He was blindfolded by the wonders of the world. He was serving money. church. His prayers was for his treasury. Money was his Lord. Wealth was his life. Love, mercy, sympathy, waiting for the people that needed the most. The beauty of the world is so. He was lost in lust and fornication. He was adulterer. One day, the pastor had an accident.
Pastor Charlie. Pastor Charlie.
No welcome for his rescue. Instead, his own decided to make fun of him. And he was taken care by the person he despised the most, Mr. Tarzan. The person took him to the hospital. And the doctor cared for him, readjusted his dislocated bones. Three months has passed, and after 3 months, he is made new by God, rebuilding what already crumbled. His first step was kneeling before God. Laying down all of his ego